Right, what's going on, guys? Another video, another explore. This is a bit crazy for me because I first came in about 3 years ago and I said the place is just totally stripped now. You ain't gonna recognize it for the ones that know it. I know GoPros ain't great in light, dark light even, and the place is totally boarded, so we'll do what we can do. I said this place is crazy to see because it used to have such incredible features, which are basically no more. He's had a brand new roof upstairs. It's more like a building site than an explore these days, to be fair. This used to be incredible. Go on and get in it. Can't go how stripped it is. Literally, guys, this is what it used to look like back in the day. All that generic wallpaper throughout, all the wooden panelling, lovely fireplaces, and what's left? Nothing. And this is how dark it is in here, by the way. Literally pitch black. So let's just do a quick sweep through. Even the smell in it doesn't even smell damp anymore. You know, that's what I've come back to see. That staircase, which I absolutely love. Shut the door. It's got a totally different vibe in here. People say this place is haunted, really bad, etc. Not saying it is, not saying it isn't, but it just feels like a building site these days. It doesn't feel bad at all. It's nice to see stuff being done with it, actually. You can see the new RSJ beams up. See people just ripping it apart, which is a shame to see. The old kitchen area originally. To be fair though, I'm surprised they haven't got security on you. I'm very surprised they ain't taking more care, considering the money that's just going into that roof, etc. Bare shot, guys. I'm going to do some pictures of this stairs. I'm going to continue when we get up there. Actually, scrap that. Do not remove. Standard asylum with a poles going through it. Somebody's watching you. Awesome. Let's pick it up upstairs, kids. So yeah, guys, as promised, we're up that grand staircase, which has had bits chopped off, etc. for I can remember. Still have the panelling. Did it like, hopefully they're going to match all this and restore it back to its former glory. It's safe enough to walk up here now because there's a new floor. And a new ceiling. I can remember a couple of years ago you couldn't even walk in some rooms. I can remember last corridor I ripped my nice expensive joggers and I wore them here. I know, don't wear clothes, nice clothes exploring. Actually though guys, there's just nothing really left here. So I suppose it's good in a way. It's getting restored. But from an exploring point of view, you want to see it in its decay and how it was. Blocked our doorway up. Remember the bedrooms. Oh yeah, I'm almost sure they've knocked the wall down as well. See all the new beams. It's nice to see it, but I'm very disappointed. Well, that's how I can remember the floors. It's probably one of the most... See it guys? It's probably one of the only rooms here that's intact. Wonder why that is. There we go. Yeah, that's not a restored floor, not gonna lie to you. So another room they haven't really done anything with. Shutters are open in here as well. So they started to rip the roof to check, I suppose. Yeah, that is super spongy, awesome. Makeshift staircase they've put in for the third floor also. For some reason it's missing a slot already. Built the last. Scaffold in. Quite surprised why they haven't done the rooms upstairs. This will make a pretty grand house or hotel. What's the plans, guys? Do you know what the plans are for it? Let me know if you do. I'm in the old toilet area, bathroom area. Time to do some photography pictures because that's what I've mainly come to do, that staircase. Pick up this video outside and you can see exactly what the place looks like. So guys, as promised, let's take you on a walk round to the best bit in my opinion. That new dormer windows they put in up there, mind. See, they got big plans for it. But let's go show you the money shot. These have been here years, these little cabins. I'm guessing that would have been the original security. Actually now it looks like toilets are not in use. Yeah, they're quite new. As you can see, power's on. They've got top lights up there, that looks quite eerie in the night time. If you're trying to kick boards, that's one thing you shouldn't do. But here she is, in all her glory. This looks incredible. Love it, absolutely love it. You can see like the old incinerator, other outbuildings down there. Nothing really worth going to look at. Something I've done in the past. But yes guys, that's one of the old asylums which I absolutely love. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon. Hit like if you like it, comment anything you want to say about it. What do you think about being restored? Do you think that's a good idea? Etc. Boss out.